Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to do the frontside 180 over the hip. So you might want to learn the frontside 180 on the flat before you try it on the hip, but it's up to you. If you feel confident enough, just learn it on the hip. There's two sides of the hip obviously, and it depends. If the bottom of the hip is in front of you, then you have to rotate less, like 90 degrees, compared to the other way when the bottom of the hip is behind you, so you actually need to do the full frontside 180. However, if you are able to do the frontside 180 on the flat, it shouldn't be a problem for you. The foot position, just like a frontside 180, back foot on the tail and the front foot over the balls. Make sure you have enough speed, so you can easily roll over the hip, and that will be just enough speed to do the frontside 180. You kind of want to pop your board when your front wheel reaches a crease in the middle of the hip, and at the same time start to open up and turn your shoulders. If you start to turn your shoulders and head, then your hips and legs will follow. With your front foot, you need to guide your board up and kind of behind you and try to keep it level as much as possible. With your back foot, try to push your tail over the hip in front of you, just like you would do with your frontside 180 on the flat. Try to keep your balance always in the center of your board, because if you lean back too much, you will slip out, or if you lean too forward, then you get a wheel bite. Try to land it all four wheels if possible, or just revert it and then roll away. And that's about it. Let me know in the comments below which way you prefer your frontside 180 over the hip, the easier or the hard way. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials. But as always, the most important is to go, skate and have fun.